This is our full Type 9 gearbox gasket and oil seal kit. Gaskets included in this kit. There's a top cover lid gasket, rear tail case gasket, intermediate gasket sits between the adapter plate or centre plate and the main iron casing. Bellhousing gasket. This is the standard Ford gasket that suits the standard Ford lay shaft with needle rollers, not the heavy duty type. The front cover cork gasket. Oil seals. The rear tail prop shaft seal. Front oil seal for the input shaft. And Speedo seal. All the gaskets are heavy duty material, high temperature. Any questions, please send me an email or call. Thank you.